Hello viewers, I am Dr. Rahul Reddy from ANDROCARE Andrology Institute, ANDROCARE Hyderabad. Now today's video is on the role of vitamin D deficiency in erectile dysfunction in males. See, normally what happens is, now previously when a patient used to come to us for erectile dysfunction evaluation, we used to do basic hormonal evaluation. Now there are various studies which says that the vitamin deficiencies also has equal importance in causing erectile dysfunction along with hormones. And actually vitamin D, vitamin B12 deficiency has more role in causing vascular damage in penis. Hormonal ED is easy to treat, but this vitamin D, vitamin B12 deficiency will cause blood vessel damage in the penis or endothelial dysfunction in the penis. So now that is the reason when a patient has erectile dysfunction, it is better to find out whether they have a vitamin D deficiency or vitamin B12 deficiency, and we have to correct it along with the regular erectile dysfunction treatment. So now coming to vitamin D deficiency, this is very common nowadays. Even 80% of doctors have vitamin D deficiency. And vitamin D deficiency is very common in people who are not getting enough sunlight exposure. And generally, the amount of vitamin D which comes through the food is very, very low. So vitamin D has to come through sunlight. So now, sunlight means now the percentage of body area which is exposed to sunlight, that is very important. Just sitting in sunlight with sunscreen lotion and completely covering your body with clothes and sitting in sunlight may not help you, because then only some part of the face is exposed to sunlight, and the absorption of vitamin D under particular area, surface area, if surface area is less, then it's the even vitamin D is less. So now what you have to do is, vitamin D deficiency has an important role in general body function. So vitamin D has to come through sunlight. Now what time of sunlight is? Early morning sunlight is very important for vitamin D production, and at least 10 to 15 minutes a day in sunlight will help in vitamin D production. So now how this vitamin D causes erectile dysfunction is, see, now vitamin D deficiency can disrupt testosterone production, can cause vascular damage. It is not good for bones, it is not good for muscles, and people with vitamin D deficiency, they'll have lethargy, weakness, generalized weakness, and weight gain is faster in vitamin D deficiency. Now even that vitamin D is on the lower side, the medications what you take for testosterone improvement also may not work properly. And now there is a recent study which says that cardiac issues are very common. That means the chance of getting cardiac problem is very high in vitamin D deficiency patients. So now what you have to understand is, see, vitamin D is related to multiple organs in the body. So now vitamin D has to be improved if you want to correct your erectile dysfunction. So now there are so many videos on vitamin D deficiency. But this video is specifically the vitamin D deficiency, role of vitamin D deficiency in ED. So this has to be corrected, and how this can be treated with medications is, now vitamin D medications are easily available in most of the pharmacies, and it's available in various strengths. But ideal strength, what most of the doctors prefer is 60K strength once in a week for 8 to 12 weeks. Then thereafter, once in a month, they have to continue for lifelong unless you are getting enough sunlight. So that means a person, if he is getting enough sunlight or if he changes his lifestyle, then they don't have to continue this medication for lifelong. They have to take this medication for 8 weeks. Once that vitamin D level crosses 30, then they don't have to depend on medications, and remaining vitamin D, the maintenance will come through the sunlight exposure. But if somebody is not getting enough sunlight, then after 8 to 12 weeks of medication, every month, then onwards, then they can take monthly one tablet to maintain that vitamin D level. So viewers, if you have any other doubts regarding vitamin D deficiency and erectile dysfunction, please post in comment sections. We'll try to answer through a new video. Thanks for watching.